You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, even though, yes, I'm afraid there are different pronunciations, so it's not going to be an absolute definite answer, but at least we can explain how it's said. Other videos on the internet say Hanne. It may exist, maybe in English, some mispronounce it this way. Do you pronounce it that way? Let us know in the comments. Hanne, I don't think that's correct. Now, from German, it's Hanne, Hanne, okay? So that's why many pronounce it Hanne. Some pronounce it Hanne, a bit more with an A sound at the end, like Hanne, okay? Many also pronounce it simply as Han, Han. And now you know. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know. Let everybody know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.